Hi, Sri Mukesh, I'm able to study only 2 sections a day. Is that good? That is fine. Actually, some people even study just one section. So one day they do only quant, or one day they do only verbal, or one day they do only DILR, which is fine also. So I'll just tell you what is needed to stay consistent. There are three big things which are important for being consistent in your preparation: time, place, and schedule. If you have these three things locked down, you will stay consistent. If any of these three things is variable that you have left undecided, which is like to be decided as such, then you will not be consistent. So what do I mean by time? There should be a fixed time every single day that you have earmarked only for CAT preparation. It can be early in the morning, it can be late at night, but that time should not be encroached by anything else. So it should not be that, okay, you have a late night work, office work or something like that. So because of that, you are not able to do CAT preparation, or because you are have to travel, you are not able to do CAT preparation. It should be that every day, no matter what happens, come rain and shine, you are there at, like, if you have put 7 to 8 a.m., every single 7 to 8 a.m. you are there to study for that given fixed period. So if you have time locked down, it will make your preparation much more structured, much more consistent. The second variable is place. I always say that you should have a clean, uncluttered desk on which you can sit and you can completely focus on your CAT preparation. A cluttered desk will hamper your CAT preparation, and uncluttered, clean, organized desk will help you. Have all the things that you need for CAT preparation ready. Have your computer, have the schedule printed in front of you. Know exactly when you are going to take every mock. What I even suggest is that have a mock schedule which you're going to say that I'm going to take this much mock, and print out a sheet which tells what scores you have gotten in each mock as such. Many people use Excel to track their mock scores, to track their sectional scores also. But I would say that a printed sheet which you have to actually write down on actually reinforces the habit that you will not only take mocks regularly, but you will also acknowledge mistakes, acknowledge or own up to like missed mocks, own up to like not sticking with schedule also. So I would say that keep those kind of schedules in front of you, a clean, cluttered workplace. This is super important to staying consistent. The third most important thing is a schedule. You need to know exactly what you will be doing, not just today, but tomorrow, day after tomorrow. What exactly do you plan to study? Where do you plan to practice from? What mocks or sectionals you plan to take? That schedule should be ready. If you do not have a schedule with you, do not worry. Krakow provides schedules for free. So if you join Krakow's 120-day batch, we'll not only give you a daily schedule, we'll also give you the sources or resources for each section, each topic, and each part of the syllabus. But whether you join the batch or not, you can download that schedule for free. So you can know exactly what needs to be covered, what are the different concepts that need to be covered, and exactly what would be the priority order of doing that. So we always put arithmetic first. We always put reading comprehension first. We always put puzzles and table and charts first as such, because they are the most important part of each of the section. So if you want to look for a schedule, a right way of going about preparation, do check out Krakow's course. And if you're not even subscribing to the course, please at least download the schedule. It will be an invaluable resource to firstly make sure that you do not miss any part of the syllabus, and to make sure that you stay consistent with your preparation.